Are you feeling a little sluggish after all the holiday festivities? Well, fear not. Prime Cleaning is here to transform your home into a sparkling oasis so you can kick back and relax.
Prime Cleaning Service is a family-owned and operated business with over 8 years of experience in Columbus, Ohio. We provide an average of 1,300 cleanings a month. Each one of them is customized to our specific client's needs, whether they be residential, commercial, Airbnb, or apartment complexes. Our commitment with client satisfaction and our closely communication with our clients. We actively have feedbacks from our clients, being positive or negative, to continually improve our service. We received over 200 reviews on Google, all of them being 5 stars, and we also received the Customer Choice Award 2025, so that makes us very proud of our service.
It starts with each one of our employees being thoroughly trained, followed by them being shadowed for a week to make sure they are comfortable and confident in providing our cleaning services. We also like to work closely with our clients, receiving feedback on where we can improve, and holding weekly meetings where all of our employees can get together and share concerns, thoughts, or ideas where we can improve our business. You can find us at primecleaning.co, and you can contact us at 614-401-7197.